I will be playing game, so as I wanted, but it's very professional because I don't have setup to record it, do some fraps or something. So here's my let's play. Show them. I'm playing.
Wow!
Yay! Cheers for me. Back to me.
Hello!
So I fought a few days ago when someone is mowing the lawn
Always!
and it's closing up. So I thought that I saw the game and I thought it's kind of nice because it's interesting to me because I'm studying. I was studying for now something called internal security. And I started studying this because I thought it's kind of close to my interests, hobbies, and so on. So, like criminology, police work, and so on. For now, my studies has shown that those years in university were great because of people, not so much because of of the university itself, because this, what I'm doing, for now I'm a cat, but for most of the time I'm the undead detective because this is a murdered sole suspect, and it is investigating, and this is what I wanted to do, and lawnmower.
Father!
I mean the best setup I could find. So I have everything. I have PS3 and the lawnmower. To this subject, I wanted to practice something close to the detective's work, police work, and but now this is everything I've got. So you can assume what the studies were, how the studies went on the university.
Oh,
Please.
father!
At least I've got many good friends. People there were brilliant, and this is everything I needed for now. Because I'm continuing kind of studying, but for now I'm playing Murder Sole Suspect, as I mentioned before. I'm usually a PC gamer, but now I have to deal with controller, so mainly I'm just looking around because I can't take this shit. But my camerawoman says I'm doing quite fine, so I take her word for it.
It's not true.
So she just admitted that she is lying to me, and I'm very sad for this, as you can see.
I love you.
I love
Bitch.
you. I fucking love you too, bitch.
I know.
So I have a war paint on my face. You may think why, because I'm a weirdo, and you know it. If you know
Yeah.
me. And secondly, you can show them. I will show. There's red dots because they will be small. Those are demons, and I will be back to me, and I will be hunting them. And it's kind of a piece of shit for me. So I will be back when I will hunt every one of them down. So be ready. Come. So these fuckers are down, and now I'm going to meet more fuckers, but they're alive to do some change. And I'm in a mental asylum. Kind of pretty, very as asylum can be. And I'm struggling with a controller. Back to me. Game isn't as interesting as I am, so kinda shows what I do. I'm doing nothing because I have no idea where I... Oh, I kinda don't show them.
Fuck yeah.
I know this... Oh, yeah. So we have to get through this. And probably this man staring at...
What's...
Or, oh, walkie-talkie? Maybe?
Yeah, probably.
So he thinks this is the most interesting thing in the world.
Hey, poltergeist this walkie-talkie. Please?
One moment.
It will be fun. No, it's
So
not.
funny. But look, he found his true love. Well, good for him.
That's so lovely.
So
Hey.
I'm kinda.
Are we going to town? Wait, it's fun.
No shadows there. Coast is clear.
Okay.
No fun.
Here is fun. Here's more fun. Here's most fun.
So, I was told about the Zoom my camerawoman did on my levels. So I hope you enjoyed. If you see this, I don't know what I am going to upload. I will cut this out.
Oh my fucking
What? What?
You see, this camera has this little moving screen. Look.
Oh,
Fucking awesome!
neat.
I really didn't know that.
So we are professionals. Trust us, we are professionals. We don't know whether the camera.
I have this fucking camera for 4 years.
The more you know, you learn every day.
The more you know.
Ding 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 ding.
Stars everywhere. Okay. Where have I seen this steak before? Giant zoom and everything's so blurry. Fuck.
Forge.
Still blurry. What was that? Gala invitation. Okay. Ronan!
Back to me.
Ronan the Barbarian.
So
Fucking
I'm
nice movie.
after years of studies which were about theory, learning history of military, and learning about...
Boring!
Yes, it was boring as hell. I bored my ass off most of the time. And only now I'm practicing something called investigating also. I once was on some practicing when we were at shooting range.
Ooh.
It was one time. Others were just, some sightseeing near the military station or something. Nothing much.
I have a question.
Yes.
Have you been ever to morgue?
I was about to say.
Shit!
I was
She
about
is fucking stealing my thoughts. Fucking always!
For a few months or something,
Jesus.
I'm stealing her thoughts and putting my own in her head. So this is a subject for another video, probably.
For a fucking whole video!
Whole series maybe. And we were about to go to the morgue, and we were promised that, and it was like about day before this. No tingling in my coke. And this was dismissed, so I never ever was, and I never ever were in the morgue, so I'm kind of sad about it.
English. Very hard.
Man, no English good. I'm sitting here with my camerawoman and I'm derping, just derping.
Derp.
Derp.
Yay! Just fucking play! Play the fucking game.
I'm pausing it because now I will back to game and BRB, or this is it. So, live. Oh, funny.
Let's do some more!
Nah.
Yay! I am fucking blind. Woo!
Me too.
Mm.
Me boobs.
Boobies! Please.
Shake it, shake it. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Don't be sad.
Peace.
Fear factor.
Fuck.
Say,
Yummy.
so this is my camerawoman at her full capacity,
In my natural habitat.
full height.
Look, look.
Um,
Long cat is long. It's
Wee.
not long enough.
He's longish. It's enough.
Longer.
Longish.
Longer.
So we are preparing dinner, as you can see. This is our dinner. Say hi, dinner.
Meow.
How does it taste?
Fucking gorgeous.
So
Long.
we wish you bon appetit
Nah.
because we are going to eat.
My lovely kitty.
Yes, this is what we do with our dinners. We hug them to death. So the more you know. Say bye bye.
Bye bye. Macarena. Hey, Macarena. Woo. He just doesn't give a shit anymore.
Kill me. Kill me. This is what internet loves. Cats.
And boobs.
And kisses.
No boobs. No boobs, only cats.
So we have half of what we want and what we need.
The other half has the girl holding the camera.
Yes, we have the boobs. They are about here. Or something like
Cats
that.
here, boobies there.
Boobies,
So-
boobies say bye bye too.
We both have the whole internet in a nutshell.
Yes.
Okay. Ow.
This was creepiest bye bye you'll ever see.